Now, I am going to explain this poem, so students please listen carefully each lines. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. In this line, the poet wants to tell that what is the purpose of life? If full of care, that means if it is full of worries. Because people are so busy with the work and problems. We have no time to stand and stare. Here the poet says we don't have time to pause and admire the nature around us. We are so busy with our life. In the next line, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. Here the poet wants to tell us that people are so busy they don't have time to stand under the trees, stare as long as sheep or cows. That means they don't have time just like sheep or cows, which glass in fees. But we human beings are so busy with our life. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. In this line, the poet wants to tell us that we do not have time to see the beauty of nature. Squirrels hide their nuts in grass, but we don't have time to see the beauty and how the squirrel hide their nuts. They are so busy with their life that when they pass through the jungle, through the forest, okay, and we don't have time to see the nature's beauty. No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. So, in this line, the poet wants to tell us that as the rivers spark in the sunlight, in the day, rivers look like stars at night. How it look stars at night? You know, the sun rays falls on the water. It's look shining like stars. It looks like stars at night when the reflection rays falls on the river. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. In this line, the poet wants to tell us that nature is personified as a beautiful girl who is glancing and dancing. When a girl glance or dance, she will move parts of body. This nature changes. It is also like a dancer. Busy people do not have time to admire the changes of the nature. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. Here the poet says people are too busy with the life that they don't have the time to see the changes in nature. When nature changes, it is like a smile that starts from the eyes and transfers slowly to mouth. A poor life, this is if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. In the last line, the poet says, it is a sad life if we don't have time to enjoy the nature or to have leisure time. They are too busy with their life that they does not have time to enjoy the beauty of nature. So here the poet wants to feel that the animals live better life than what human beings do. We don't have time to enjoy the nature. We should find the time and should enjoy the beauty of nature which God has provided us. I hope the poem is clear to all of you. Thank you.